1998 Ford Explorer. Crankcase breather pipe. I'll point to it. The only way you get to that, pipe comes out of there, is you got to take off the upper and lower air intake manifolds, otherwise you cannot get to it. There is no room, not even to put your hand in, nothing. So that's where it is, right there. A right job to get to, I can tell you. So that's where it is, right at the back in the centre, 1998. I think it's a, this is a 4-litre V6. I think it's, is it single cam or push rod? Not sure either, but it's a 98, and there you have it. That's where the crankcase breather pipe goes onto. And from here, this splits into two. There's a T-piece with a valve on it, which I got. But I've just gone and bought this pipe to get on there. And I bought a long piece to give myself plenty of room to get it on. Because it's a job even with these pieces off. So there you have it. Wish someone would put this video up for me. It would save me a lot of time and effort.